Chevanel, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Encyclopedia Britannica database. To get there, you're going to want to go to the library website, whslibrary.org, hover over Resources, and then select Encyclopedia Britannica. This will open up in a new tab. Once you're here at the home screen, you're going to click on High, because you're in high school, and this will take you to the high school level section of resources that are at your reading level. You'll see here at the top there is a search bar. Type in your topic here. I'm going to do redlining. And now you'll see that I've got the reading level 3, which is high school, and these are the articles relevant to my search term, redlining. There are some images, videos, and other resources related to it, but I'm just going to start with this article here as an overview of my topic. Here you'll see the article. It's all about redlining, so I'm going to read this over and then determine whether or not I want to use it in my project or not. You'll also notice that there are some hyperlinked words in here. You can click on those and it'll take you to additional resources. If you decide it's something that you want to use in your project, click on the Send To arrow, click on Google Drive, and then click your GRSU email. This will send the article to your Google Drive, which will look like this. It'll create a Britannica folder. So if you double click on that, it'll open up the folder, and then you'll see your article inside. I've got a couple different ones in here right now. Once you've saved your article to Google Drive, you're going to want to cite it. So if you hover over this checkbox, you're going to see the word cite pop up. Click on that box and you'll see it's defaulted to MLA format, which is what we use here. So you're going to want to copy your citation and then paste it into your works cited sheet. If you have any questions or you need help with anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Mrs. Chevanel, or Mrs. Denneker.